Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide I will give you instructions on how to remove fake and scary pop-ups that come from the website Mac.walleu.live. So this pop-up mainly attacks Google Chrome browser. It displays pretty faulty messages mentioning that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. It also gives some other faulty statements that try to deceive people, to trick them into clicking on this Stay Protected button. The point is that at the first glance it might look as if these pop-ups try to help you to make your computer clean and free of threats, but when you start clicking on this Stay Protected button, you will notice that you will be brought to some other dangerous websites that may promote a totally different software. In fact, these pop-ups by Mac.walleu.live try to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. So be careful. Don't ever interact with these pop-ups by Mac.walleu.live. They are the typical online scam. We recommend that you, first of all, carefully examine your control panel. If you find anything suspicious here in the list that you don't remember installing based on your own decision, get rid of it immediately. I also recommend that you thoroughly research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Using this green download Combo Cleaner button, download the installer, run the installer, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.